who made it.
And welcome back. Here, another unboxing video, and here we are unboxing the. Let's get into it. All right, y'all. So it's your boy, Ella Chevrolet 254 and FLHX Glider 254. Yes, we are the same person. Huh? You figured it out. You caught me. So what we have here is the DynoJet Power Vision for the 17 for the Harley Davidson. Part number is going to be PV2B, as you can see. I ordered this from FuelMoto. Because I know that there are some things that are going to be coming for the bike, and this is something that was needed / required. Although after, I'm not so sure if it was required. I don't know. There's been a lot of debate on if I won't say a lot of debate, but there's been a lot of speculation where I've been doing the research to try to see. So, in a nutshell, let me break it down to you like this. So, in a nutshell, I bought my 2017 Street Glide in 2022, right? So, I've had it about a year. It already had the Cobra Neighbor Haters on the bike. Right. So they say that if you just do exhaust or you just do the breather, then one or the other, you don't need it to. However, if you are doing more than one of them, say, I don't know, the breather and the exhaust, then you need a tune. They say that even the tune can be improved from stock, what it already is. So either way, the bike can be made to run more efficient, more powerful, less governed, so to speak, by the EPA people. So what I did is I ordered the Power Vision. I got it from FuelMoto. I don't have a code from them or anything, but I just bought it. So, got your quick start guide, which is there. You got your DynoJet warranty card, which is here. So it's got a 1-year warranty from DynoJet. There's then determine your operating system, and then you can install the version of the Power Vision software on your computer. Although the computer is not required to tune the bike at all. Okay? Just want to make that perfectly clear. Alright. Now, here is the unit. The Power Vision unit itself. That's what it looks like there on the back. There is some connectors there on the side. If I can get those to focus. Trying to see what that is. So it's like a USB micro. Why? I don't know. It is 2023. Why is this not USB-C? Whatever. But yeah, DynoJet DynoJet Power Vision. Really, this is the only thing that I can show you at this current time because that's all it does when it's not hooked to the bike. Also in the box, there is the cord, which this cord connects to the Power Vision, as you saw here. It looks like it has the multiple pins there. Looks like it's 4 pins altogether. And then there is a USB 5-pin to a USB-A. Once again, like I said, I don't know why they're still using this USB-C looking or USB-A old USB style. Y'all know what the fuck I'm talking about. I don't know why they're still using that. Like USB-C, more high speed, all that good stuff. So yeah, all this stuff is included in the box. I believe the only thing that you need to actually go from the bike to, so from the bike to the Power Vision, only thing you need is this cord. The other connection, as ancient as it is required to go to your computer, which luckily still has USB ports on it, but the damn show don't have no USB-A on it. So I was gonna make like a 2-part video for this, but honestly, I mean, for that part of the unboxing, very simple. Yeah, so I don't know what to tell you. So the programming instructions say locate the data port and plug in the Power Vision cable. Turn ignition and start switches to the on position. On the Power Vision screen, go to program vehicle, load the tune, select custom tunes, and the appropriate fuel moto map will show in the tune manager. Your factory calibration will also be backed up and your Power Vision will be married to your ECM. Married. So don't proceed if you got cold feet. Select the map. Select continue and hit flash. You will be prompted to reset learned trims. Select yes, or to reset learned trims. Select yes. Turn off the ignition switch for 10 seconds and you are finished. Special note, it is absolutely essential that the O2 sensors are installed correctly front to rear, if applicable, which in our case is not because we're not doing that. So yeah, I guess the next step is to take it to the bike. Let's go. Alright, so for the next portion of the video, you may or may not be able to see me well. It is what it is. In theory, I'm gonna just walk you through it as I'm doing it, right? So first step would be to locate the port. We already know that the data port is on the right hand or the left hand side of the bike, under the cover that is, go ahead and point to it. You can see my finger there. You need to zoom in on it. So it's gonna be, your port's gonna be right behind this cover right here. So what we're going to do is get behind that cover so that you can plug in the Power Vision. Now I'm not 100% sure. Like, I've seen where, people, I guess, run this, I guess, the length of whatever, and like have it maybe up here. I don't know that I'm gonna run it that way at all. So Don't get your hopes up on that. But before we do that, like I said, we're just gonna take this here and we're gonna plug that into the Power Vision like so. And then this other side will go into the port, which we will locate on the side of the bike as soon as we get that cover off. Now you may more than likely have to take off your saddlebag to get that cover off, so do keep that in mind. All right, so after you've located the port on your bike, behind the cover, Power Vision is hooked up to the cable. You can now turn on the Power Vision, well, turn on the bike and fuel the cycle, and then we'll show you what's gonna happen right here. So, as you can see, dyno jet, Power Vision. If you use the Power Vision, you're responsible. Blah, blah, blah. Be responsible. Gonna go to Program Vehicle, Load Tune. I think it's Custom Tunes. Gonna read the original tune that's on the bike, so but if you ever go oopsie, then you won't be shit out of luck. Put it back to the original stock configuration. And I guess we are a little bit familiar with this because, you know, we have dallied with HP tuners back in the day on the bikes or on the cars and stuff. So not completely foreign to us, just a different format, etc. So 78, 79, all this percentage, blah blah blah. And it may give us some good data where we're able to go and look at the stock tune versus the other tune. So, this will marry this PV to this bike permanently and cannot be undone. Is this what you want to do? Yes. This bike and the bike are now married. You may kiss the bride. Alright, okay. So, and this one, when you order it from the Power Vision people, they give a tune. You give them your bike information, they put a tune in there. Auto-generated 2017 Stage 1 air cleaner, slip-on mufflers. Yep, that's it. So select flash to send this tune to the ECM. Hit flash. Don't prepare the ECU. Don't be scared now, because at this point there is no backing out, none whatsoever. So it says it's preparing the ECU. Do you want to reset learned fuel trim values? Yes. It is now writing. It's actually going pretty quick. And it's done. Alright, so it says turn the key off. Wait 10 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, and 11, and 12, and 13 and 14 and 15, just because we don't want no dumb shit going on. Alright? So, stop for 10 seconds. Turn the bike back on. Now at this point, the bike is tuned with the tune that is on there. So there's no need to necessarily have it still hooked up to the bike unless you wanted to do something else with like DTCs, reset trims, vehicle info, etc like that. But other than that, there's no reason to have this hooked up. A lot of people are, you know, they're gonna do like data logging. They got the gauges, they got, you know, trip center for the different things. So I mean, it's a nice little addition to the bike, don't get me wrong, but it's not necessary to still have it on. It's totally up to you if you decide to do that. Do what you want. Dealer info is empty. Device info. Lock the vehicle. Blah blah blah. We know that. Settings. So you set the brightness. Touch calibration. Flip the screen. So this is the main screen you're gonna be on. Program the vehicle, or that's the main purpose of having it. Now, like I said, we have already loaded the tune that was on there. There is the auto tune feature where you can enable the auto tune, and then you ride it, it learns, you save it, you apply it to the main table and do that, which that'll be in future videos. There's a quick tune. I just pushed. So I think in here you can do like different configurations, change stuff with your fuel, your spark, your VE table. Like, I mean, if you know what you're doing, like you can, this is where you can do it at. If you know what you're doing. So, we're gonna go cancel. Yep, I know. So status. Couldn't read vehicle info, use one-on-one locks. Okay. Then back. So yeah, that's pretty much it for in a nutshell. Let me go ahead and open up the garage and then we're gonna crank the bike up. Lucky for me, I have a remote right here on my bike. I ain't even gotta move. Thank you for your cooperation. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Like I said, tune in next time. I'm gonna find out what I need to do to get a bracket to mount this. I'm pretty sure I can kind of mount it somewhere here. I don't know, maybe I need to go like up under the seat and up, or probably the cord is long enough so where you can just kind of mount it up here. How we mount it, that's the That's the question still. So I'll be looking into getting a bracket or whatever for it, so that we can get into the auto tuning. Auto tune was a very big reason that I went ahead and I got this. Having the ability or knowing how it can be as beneficial as, you know, just riding and logging. Y'all know, or if you don't know, with my Caprice, with all my LS swaps, man, after the swaps is done, we put them on the street. We actually physically drive them and tune them, and that's how we get them to be where we have them to be. And you know, I don't dyno because it ain't necessary, but I'm saying street tuning we do. So this will be something that's real familiar to us, and I look forward to doing this, bring y'all them videos as we get them done. So thanks y'all for tuning in for the channel. Catch y'all on the next one.